Managing one child at home is a very difficult task for a parent because we are all parents, we know. But managing them in the camp for 3 days continuously is not at all an easy task. So I think they deserve one more round of applause. It's over to Balaji.
First of all, my dandat pranams to Veeravan Mama for coming to attend this conclusion camp. First of all, now the person whom I am going to talk about is Ujjivani. She is doing MCOM first year, and I would like to Ujji to come forward so that people can see her. Before speaking about Ujji's contribution in the camp, I would like to say about Ujji first. I have been into camp for last 8 years, and even I was not interested when I came for the first day in 2009, but I know how Ujji took the class, which totally took my attention and drive me over this satsang, and today I can say proudly that I can't, that if today if I have Panchasamskaram or Varanyasam, then Ujji's contribution is most. So, not only that, Ujji's contribution in Panvel satsang is also great because, tremendous because whatever chart you are seeing, whatever creative way, like how you saw the interactive way of feedback, it was totally designed and planned by Ujji. So, I am very lucky to have Ujji because all the students, this is for parents I am telling, all the students, every day evening they were told, not at all anyone, not even one student were in a mood to go out of the camp or they wanted to go home. Each and everyone were interested and they were enthusiastic 24/7. So because it was very difficult to take care of such students, and she had an experience of taking care of 500 students at the stretch. So Dandat Pranams, I can speak many words about Ujji, but these are just and one more, she is an epitome of modesty. So whatever I speak, she will not agree. She will say that oh, I am saying false thing only. So my Dandat Pranams to Ujji for coming here and taking care of your children. And I request Veeravan Mama to stay here.
Is another blessing for us, and also really it, my trip was unexpected. The tickets were not booked for me, but somehow I could come this time. So that is another plus point for me. Thank you, Dev.
The next point. Never stop, even during night, we used to do Kainkariya. Because even if someone asks him why you didn't take rest, then he loved the Kainkariya. So taking care of this little Prahladas was his utmost duty, which he did very nicely. And being a part of him and spending time with him was a great boon for all of us. And all the little brahmacharis who had Yagyo Poonal, they were also fortunate to learn Sandhya Vandanam from Akash. So I hope they do regularly. Jai Jai Sri Krishna. He taught Sandhyanam to Bhargav, Samavir Sandhyanam, so it's special. Mama wanted to. I request Akash to speak few words.
Jai Jai Shri Darshana. First of all, I would like to thank Mukundan Mama and his team who has always supported me in each and every activity. And secondly, I would like to thank the parents of these children who have left them here with the hope that they will upcome in this satsang. And I like spending time with these children and teaching them. And I also learned many things from them, which I can't share. and even from each and every mommy who is here. Each and every mommy, I learned something. How do they do everything in the kitchen? How do they do tireless work in this satsang? Thank you. Jai Jai Shri Krishna.
Next, I would like to call Srinath Anna to come forward. Sorry, Sai Kumar. Sorry, Sai Kumar.
Power pack dhamaka.
I would like everyone to congratulate and applaud for Sai Kumar because even for him it is first residential camp outside Hyderabad. Sai Kumar is a power pack, chota packet bada dhamaka. Like someone said, like his dada to everyone. Because I remember Bhargavi totally asking questions to him because she didn't come even ask to Mukundan Mama or Dharani Anna or Ruchi. She only asked to Sai Kumar. So such fortunate person all the little brothers were to spend time with Sai Kumar.
You didn't get proper answer from me. That's it.
She didn't get proper answer from Mukundan Mama, so she approached Sai Kumar, Dada. So I would request Sriraman Mama to felicitate him.
intermediate.
And one more notice information. Sai Kumar secured 92% in his 11th. So he would need your blessings and good wishes for his future upcoming. Sai Kumar.
Jai Jai Shri Krishna. First of all, I want to thank Mukundan Mama, Ujji Akka to have a great chance to come to one-way camp. And I am lucky we are all lucky to have a good satsang. And we are lucky to have Mukundan Mama, Ujji Akka, everyone, Balaji Bhaiya, and everyone. I thank all mommies and mamas to serve us food and help us in everything. Jai Jai Shri Krishna.
Next we have with us Srinath Anna, Big Boss MBA, and he has got his job also, TCS. So first of all, let us congratulate Anna for that. I learned that Anna's contribution in his camp was 24/7 doing service selflessly behind the screen. Anna never expected anything. I used to order Anna. I am so Mandhabuddhi. I used to order Anna. And selflessly, not even I used to take rest, me and Dharani Anna, but selflessly, Srinath Anna used to do some kainkariya, taking care of. He used to like the company of all little Prahladas, telling them stories. That's why even he was one of the best friends of some little kids who took his name. So I would like Srinath Anna to speak.
Jai Jai Shri Krishna. First, I would like to thank Mukundan Mama and Ujji for giving me this opportunity. Like I was just sitting, I didn't know what to do. Ujji said, "Can't you come to camp?" This is my first camp, and I enjoyed a lot. I got a lot to learn because we see kids, they do something differently. We don't do the same things in the same way. They do it differently. You learn from them. Even from children, you learn. That's what I learned in this. And he said I did a lot of kainkariya. I didn't do anything. I just did few things which they asked me to do. That was very less, and I hope everyone in here gets a better future and accomplishes something in life because of this satsang. And lastly, I would like to thank all the mommies and mamas, all the volunteers who helped to give food, to take care of this camp. They were the real pillars who made this camp a success. Because without them, we could never have done this camp. That's beautiful. Thank you. Jai Jai Krishna.
I would like to say one thing about Srinath. He lost his father when he was in his mother's womb. from where to where her mother has brought him. So her mother deserves applause. Srimati struggled hard because when he was born, his father was not there. Struggled hard to bring this boy. She sacrificed her life. She was just hardly 24, 25, very young age. We, myself, my father, my mother, they forced her to get remarried. She said, no, I will leave for my son, only son. And she struggled hard. To this day, she struggles hard. She goes 40 kilometers to TCS. Earlier, it was some other name, CMC. CMC merged with Tata, you know that. Very tough times ahead now. You know what's happening with Tata. She spends almost 12 hours there, she logs. And then it takes 2.5 hours for her to go in bus to her place. 2.5 hours to come back and 12 hours logging in office. Just to see a smile on her son's face. This is a classic example of a mother sacrifice. Actually, everybody is doing it in different way. And he has proved himself. He passed in first class, BTech, Chemical Technology. From government college. She said, I cannot afford to put you in a private engineering college. I will not pay any donation. It's better you go for a government college. Otherwise, I will not put you in government, in any other institution. I cannot afford. So alone, single-handed. And he fulfilled the dreams of his mother by getting a good rank in the entrance examination without going for any coaching. And he completed his MBA in IPE, one of the prestigious institutes, Institute of Public Enterprises in Hyderabad. And then now it's a vacation period for him. He has to join, he has been selected in TCS, he has to join in June. He said, I want to use the time and I want to be somewhat useful to you. He said, we are welcome. So it's a classic example of what a mother sacrifice is. Again, a big hand to his mother, Srimati. And her words are golden words, which I would like to repeat everyone. I don't expect anything from my son. It is my duty and I have done my duty. He has got a job. I don't expect him to take care of me. I don't expect my daughter-in-law to take care of me. God is there to take care of me. Who has brought me all the way from this level to this level, God will also take care of me in future. That is her hierarchy. And he has realized what his mother has done, what his sacrifice he has undergone. And you see, he has become a leader now. Jai Jai Shri Krishna.
Boss, right hand pillar, stalwart of Mukundan Mama's Goshti all over India. Only one call, I just called him about, Anna, we have camp, please come. And next day he confirmed and sent me the ticket. Although he is in such position in his company that he can't risk to take holidays because he have 20 to 30 members under him. And he has many Australian projects going, but still for the camp, he told the project to wait, let the project to wait, I want my camp to attend. So he came for this camp, so my Dandat pranams to Dharmendra for that. So I don't have any words because to tell how service he has done for this camp. So just my pranams and I prostrate before him and Shamaswa if I done any mistake.
Jai Jai Shri Krishna. This is the second residential camp I am attending in Panvel. So last year when Balaji told, Anna, you need to come next year, I gave him a word that I will come. So no matter what, I wanted to attend this camp. And the main reason that I feel like coming back to Panvel is the motivation given by Anumami and Balaji. So they have started this camp in Panvel, and last year I have seen about half the strength what we have right now. And this year I am able to see a good improvement in the number of children, and there are many new parents as well who have come into this camp. So which means that they have dragged people into this satsang. So it is not they who have done it, it is Desikan who has done it, but it is through them, because without their hard work and without their effort, this wouldn't have been possible. And I hope next year I would be able to attend this camp once again, and also other camps like Bombay, Pune, and like how I am serving in Hyderabad. I wish I could serve all over India as well the same way.
I would like to add a word about Dharni. Dharni is an engineer by profession, and he is now in TCS, a team leader. And he was supposed to join a project in Australia, doing now. We prayed to Lord that let the project not come, at least till the camp is over, and his prayers are answered. That is the power of prayer. He wanted to be in Satsang, and it got postponed. They called him from Bangalore and then said, you are not. He was supposed to go to Bangalore to attend a meeting for the Australian project. Just a day before they called him and then said, no, you are not going, no, you can go next week. You know, corporate, you can't say no. That at a higher level, you can't say no. They will say it's irresponsible. You can't go and tell that I am going to Radhe Shankar, Satsang, and then be me, because you are in a top level. So that shows how much Mahavishwasam he has in this Stotra. And one more thing I should add, that he doesn't feel shy to come and ask anything. Even now, he comes and asks me doubts in Sandhyavandanam. Although he does Sandhyavandanam, he says, is this mantra correct? Am I doing correct? He gets it checked again and again. He doesn't feel shy about it. And he teaches others also. Plus, he motivates people like anything. He is not motivating only few people here. There is a summer camp going on parallelly now at Hyderabad. 100 students are attending. 45-day camp. 2 hours every day, morning 7 to 9. He will go motivate the children. After the children go, there are 10 students, senior students, who are taking the classes, who are trained by Ujjini. He will motivate them, he will talk to them and give them all inputs, what should be taken, how to make it more interesting the next day. That is what he is doing. Plus, last time, in March, we had a plan to celebrate Sahasrabdi Utsavam of Ramanujacharya in Vrindavan. So he just booked the ticket in one day, all Topcal tickets. 24 hours were there. We spoke on Ramanujan campaign. Now, he was the main person behind this. Just booked all the tickets on his own. So that shows volumes of what I am telling is that is the power of success.